funny old lad. Very high voice. Let's start right about here with the side of his face. There we go, and we'll make his cheek right about here, and we'll bring that on down like that. And then what we're gonna do is bring it on back up here like this, and that'll be the other side of his face with a nice ear right about there. Finish the ear off with a little squiggly right about there. And then what we're gonna do is make a little curvy line right about there, and that'll be his hat. Now we can make his hair here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little bits of tufts of hair for Alvin. And now what we can do is finish his hat off. He's got a nice red hat that he likes to wear. Come up like this, and then bring it on down like that. That'll be the cap. That'll be nice. And we'll finish the head off right about here, coming on down like that. Little beanie bit right in the back there. Give it a little bit of a texture right about there like that. Looking very nice, everybody. Now we can give Alvin a bit of a snout here, a little bit like that, and then we draw a nice round nose in like that. Give him a bit of a cheek smile here, right about here and here. Looking very good. Big old smile now for Alvin. He's always a smiley guy. Some funny teeth. Squirrels have funny teeth there, don't they? Just like that. And then we're gonna give him a big old smile and a bit of a chin here. Don't forget his tongue. Looking good. Alrighty then. Now we can draw his eyes. So let's start with that eye right about here. There we go. Big old nice eyes for Alvin. Like that. And then we'll bring him up like that. Looking good. Finish it off. We'll have him looking around this way. Bit of a highlight there. And his pupil like that. Looking nice. And now we can draw his other eye right about here. Just like that. And then we can bring it on down like this. Do the same with his eye over here. Bit of a highlight. And his pupil like that. Alrighty, we're looking good, everybody. How about some eyebrows? One there and one there. Okie dokie. Now we can draw his body. He's got a funny turtleneck that he likes to wear. Right about here we can start it. Maybe make a cuff here like that. And then his shoulders will come up like this. And we'll make him arms out like this. 1, 2 lines there. Little bit of a cuff here, just like that. Looking nice. And then we can give him a hands, palms up kind of feel here. There's his thumb. Bring it on down like that. Back of his hand there like this. That'll be his pinky finger. 1, 2. For some reason, chipmunks only have 3 fingers. In the cartoon, that is. So there we go. There's his first hand. And now we can bring his body down like this. He's got a funny outfit he wears, doesn't he? Bit of a capey, moo type of a outfit. Just like this. Yum yum. There we go. Alright, bring it on back up like that. Whoops, there we go. Just like this. That's good. Sorry everybody, messed the page up. Alright. Now we can make his feet here. There's one shoe that we're starting just like this. And we'll bring it on down in like that. That's a good one. Give him a bit of a sole on this, just for fun. Just peeking out from underneath his really big old moo shirt here. Just like that. Maybe some soles there. Looking good, everybody. I think Alvin's got a bit of a stripe on his shoes here. So we'll go like this. And like that. Alright. Now we're getting there. Now all we gotta do is draw his other arms. Oh, and the back of his turtleneck. I forgot that. Very good. Here's his last arm, just like this. We'll bring that to match this one. Another bit of a cuff here like that. And we'll bring it on in. There we go. And we'll replicate the same hand over here with a thumb out like that. Looking nice. Bring the palm down like that. And 3 fingers out. There we go. Looking good, everybody. There we go. Perfect. Now all we have to do is draw the A. The A for Alvin. So we'll start here, right about there, and then bring an A down like this. Looking nice. Just like that. Back on up like this. There we go. Looking good. Looking good, and finish it off with the middle bit. Alright, looking good, everybody. Time for the color. Alvin has brown fur, a red hat, his outfit is red, his stripe on his shoe, and his tongue. Blue eyes and shoes, and a yellow A on his shirt. Thanks, everyone.